Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we got you a real treat. We are making mouth-watering chicken patty burger from scratch. Let's dive right into the delicious recipe. Now let's get started with the preparation. So here I'm cutting some lettuce. Add some homemade mayonnaise, mix it and keep it aside. Into some onion rings, add some salt and vinegar, mix it. Now let's ground the chicken. Into that add some coriander leaves, pepper powder, salt and some garlic. Mix it really well. You can add other spices as well as per your preference. Mix all these ingredients until well combined. This forms the base of a delicious chicken patties. Divide the chicken mixture into equal portions and shape them into burger-sized patties. You can make them as thick or thin as you like. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Place the chicken patties in the pan and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Now place a cheese slice on the top of the patty. Once it melts, take it out. Now toast the burger buns in the same pan until they are lightly golden. To assemble the burger, place the lettuce leaf on the bottom bun, followed with the lettuce and mayonnaise mix. Then the chicken patty. Add some pickled onion and apply some mayonnaise on the top bun. Place the top bun over the assembled ingredients to complete your delicious chicken patty burger. There you have it, the perfect chicken patty burger, a crispy and juicy patty with all your favorite toppings. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tasty update. Share your thoughts and photos of your homemade chicken patty burger with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!